needs to go get some bread to, if it can push out the pilot bearing on the Mugen. I thought I was gonna be able to pry it out, but I'm actually gonna have to use the bread technique that I seen online. So let's see if I can find some bread. All right, boys, bread secured. I'm packing the bread in here and pushing it in with the 9/16 socket, and apparently the bread is supposed to have the pilot bearing come out. So I'm just gonna tap it lightly with the hammer. And apparently the pressure of the bread is gonna push on the pilot bearing from the back. And yeah, it's supposed to come right out. So hopefully it comes out pretty smooth. And I'm already down the slice that nobody wants. So let's see, might need one more bread slice. All right, so second slice of bread. I'm stuffing in here. Pushing the bread out through the socket. Damn, all the bread came out, bro.
Yeah, I think you hit it too much.
No, but that's good. Now that the socket's filled, there's nowhere else the bread could go.
You guys pushing
Oh,
out.
it came out.
Oh, came out?
Yo, it came out. It worked. The bread technique works, bruh. Oh my God, I'm forever using this technique.
That is fire. Wow.
And that,
right
ladies
off.
and gentlemen, is how you take out the pilot bearing with no tool. Yo.
Hell
So now
yeah.
you just take the rest of the bread out of here, and then we can push the new one in.
Let's go.
All right, y'all, new pilot bearing. I'm just gonna grease it up on the outside a little bit so I can slide it in really nice. Take a tiny bit of high temp grease. What I'm gonna do is just slap a little bit on the sides. Nothing crazy, just so I can slide it in nice. I don't wanna go too crazy with this. Don't wanna over grease nothing, you know. Now I'm gonna tap it in. I gotta find a socket that'll go over. All right, guys, so I'm gonna use an 11/16 socket to tap the pilot pushing back in. So I just want to make sure that it's nice and even. I'm gonna take my socket, start tapping away. Honestly, I think the socket's a little bit too small. So what I'm gonna do is use an 18mm socket to tap it in. It's going in. Beautiful. 18mm working better. I think it's in. I'll give it one more tap just to make sure, but you can see like where the groove ends, like where it indents and starts getting flat. That's where you want it to be. Like that is good enough, guys. More than enough. I'll spray some blade clean, get off all that residual metal, and that's it.